Well, I have a question here that says, given P of x equal to x cubed plus 2x, show using relevant calculations, why is it possible for a tangent drawn to the graph of P to have a negative gradient? All right. What is first, how do you calculate the gradient of a function? Okay, we say that a gradient function is given by f prime of x. Okay, x prime of x determines the gradient of a function m. So because the function here is given by p of x equal to x cubed plus 2x, to find the gradient of this function, we first need to find the derivative of that function. Okay, so f, not f but p, we write here p, then p prime of x will help us determine the gradient of that function. Of course, it's going to be a function itself, so this will be equal to 3 times x to the power of 3 minus 1 plus 2 times 1 times x to the power of 1 minus 1. Okay, and this makes that p prime of x will be equal to 3x squared plus 2 plus 2. Okay, plus 2. Okay, now this, you can see that this function here will be strictly positive. Positive. Why am I saying that? It is positive. Let's say, I'm saying that because we have two terms here. We have 3x squared and we also have 2. So 3x squared is strictly positive or equal to 0 because regardless of the value of x raised to the power of 2, the positive number will always be positive. And then times by another positive, which is 3, it will always be positive or 0. Okay? And 2, positive 2 is a fixed number, so this will always be positive. Now take positive plus another positive, the gradient will always be positive. And we do know that when the gradient is positive, it means it's when the tangent line is increasing. Okay, it's going to be of this form. Let me give you an idea of how it looks like in the graph of p of x. Let's see. P of x. Let's say p of x is given. It's drawn as what you can, as you can see there. Okay, let me just erase this. Okay, tangent to this graph here can always be an increasing line. Okay, it must be of this form. It must be of this form. It must be of the form like it's increasing, but never like this, never decreasing. Regardless of whatever we can do, if it tangent to this point there, the tangent will always increase. Tangent means touch the graph at exactly one point. Okay, regardless wherever we can draw the tangent, it will always be an increasing line, but not a decreasing line. Even if it's here, it will always be an increasing line, but never decreasing line. So because of this condition, so here I'm going to write therefore 3x squared plus 2 will be always equal to greater, or will always be positive. Okay. Therefore, the tangent it's not possible to have a negative tangent. Thank you.